Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to save a board as a template in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile guys, or if you don't have one, you can always go and register to monday.com. Now guys, as we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the home screen, which is the first thing, and your work here. And also we have all of your boards. We also have in the top right corner, as you can see, everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and save a board as a template in monday.com. So when reviewing your board, click the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your screen. Then what you need to do is select more actions, and then you just need to go and click save as template, and it will be saved obviously as a template. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.